Hello friends, this is sbphptricks. Today we'll discuss how to log in using PHP and MySQL. So let's start. First we need a database. So I already created a database called name demo. I'll create one table. I'll give name admin login. So username, I'll put the data type Parker and length is 100 and a password. So Parker. So these are the two fields we'll put in my table. My table name is admin login. So let's create the table. We can insert data also because we are creating admin login and we'll code to how to log in using PHP and MySQL for admin part. So we need some value in my table. So I am inserting that value now. Admin and password should be admin123. You can put anything. So this is the value I put it here. Let's check. So this is the admin and admin123. So now how to code for login. I'll open Dreamweaver. There are many ways to many ways of doing the login coding. So I'll start HTML. I am designing this login windows in very simple way. You can put bootstrap and all those type of thing. It will look better then. So I'll take a PDF. Let's put one table here with 3 rows and 2 column. So user name, password, and I'll put one button here. I'll put one text field here, one text field here, because the second one is password field. So second one is password field. So I'll click this one and I'll make this password. So it will be now input type password. If you check the code, it will show input type password. Now we'll code for login. I have the username and password. I'll save this page. My system is very slow, I don't know why. It's Control S. So I'll save my design in demo and I'll give it login .html. I can make these borders 0. It will look little better. I am not designing my form. You can put CSS and bootstrap and all those things. I'm just showing how to actually log in using PHP and MySQL. So mainly I'm concentrating on the coding part. So let's rename this button to login. I will give now a form here. Form name f1 method post action, suppose login script dot php. You can give any name. So I'll copy this name and I'll create this PHP file now. So I'm creating one new PHP file and the name will be login script.php. So At very first, I'll need my database connection. I'll use MySQL underscore connect. So first parameter will be localhost. Second will be password of my MySQL. I don't have username of my MySQL, that is root. I don't have any password, so that's blank. Then the database name. So let's see what is the database name. Database name is demo. So I will use my database name is demo. So this is my connection. Then I'll take the values from my design. So it will be post. Let me copy the name of text field. It is text field. So I'll copy and paste it here. So this is my username and this is my password. Dollar underscore post. Let me check the name of the text field 2. So I'll put that name within bracket. So this is the username and password. So now I'll check whether this username and password will match my database record or not. So how to do that? I'll write first select. There are many ways of doing it. You can use count also. You can select everything from the database. So I'll do that one. Select start from database table name. So that is admin login. Select start from admin login where the username and password, where username is equal to uname and so password is equal to the data given by user, that is this field, password field, the second one. So I'm selecting that. So now I can execute this query. So how to do that? That MySQL underscore query. So first we need to give the connection, then I need to put the query. If this MySQL underscore query I am using with select command, so it will return a result set as my username will be primary key. So if my username and password match with the record of my database, then only we can say that our login is successful. So let me check one thing, whether my username is primary key or not. I will make this username as a primary key. So it was not primary key for at very first, so I'll make this as a primary key. So this is now primary key of my table. Username is my primary key. So now I will check, means I'll fetch my password from database, from that result set. rs1 MySQL fetch row. So SQL 1. It will return only one row because username is my primary key. So now I will check whether my rs1 means this is password is in my 1 position, this is 0 and this is 1 position. So the password from database, if it matches with the user password, then my login will be successful. So if it's match, then I can say my login is successful. obviously if the login is successful, we will redirect the page to another page. I'll show it later. If it's any problem or any error, then it will show echo failed. So let's first check whether my login is successful or not. Then only we'll replace this success message with another page that will be redirect to another page if my login is successful. So let's first check whether my login is successful or not. So this is my page. So I'll check admin and admin 123. So it is saying login successful. If I put any other password, then it will say failed. So I'll now replace this success message with another PHP page or any design. So I'll consider one very simple design. I'm taking the free templates or layout which are actually available in Dreamweaver. So I'll take this one and I'll save this as a home page dot php. So now I'll go to my code, that is login script, and I'll header. So now I'll redirect this page to homepage dot php. So if I put admin and admin 123 and login, then it will redirect to this page. For this page I did not design anything. Obviously you can put CSS and bootstrap to make it look good. So this is how actually we do simple login. I did not include here one main thing that is called session. So for the next video we will discuss how to add session while we do login. So that is a very important part for login. So in the next part of this video we will discuss how to add session in login script. Thank you. This is sbphptricks. Please subscribe us, like us, and share our videos so that we can make more such videos for you. Thank you.